Hello everyone, welcome to my free digital marketing course. Today is my favorite topic that I'm explaining to you. That is none other than Facebook ads. So guys, first of all, we have already learned about Google ads. So what is the problem with Google ads? That Google ads are very expensive. But while in the case of Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or social media ads, it are really cheaper and it is very easy to place them. So we will be now understanding how we can apply a Facebook ads and what are the requirements to apply Facebook ads. So like Google ads, Facebook ads also has many goals. You can, for example, you can apply Facebook ads for leads, you can apply Facebook ads for display ads, you can in news feed in any way. So there are many things that we will see practically. Okay, and the second thing that I want to tell you, that there are two ads: Facebook ads, Instagram ads. So the most, why Facebook ads are important? Because Facebook is the most important social media network. It has driving many millions of customers in this channel, and you might be using Facebook. That's why Facebook is the most important channel. There we can promote our product. After Facebook, the now growing and the most important one and my favorite is Instagram. Yes, so we can also place ads on Instagram. Okay, so let's learn about what are the types of ads that are in the Facebook, how to apply for it, and how to place your ads. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. So for applying for a Facebook ads, so guys, first you need to listen that if you are starting, then you should start with Facebook ads, because Facebook ads is the most important and is less expensive as compared to Google ads. Okay, and here you can reach more customer and drive more traffic to your website very easily. Okay, so now let's start right now. So if I say you, then there are two requirements to go for Facebook ads. The first is you must have a Facebook account. I think you all must be having. You must have an Instagram account, and you all must have Instagram account. And third thing is you all must have a Facebook page. If you are not having Facebook page, then make it right now, today only. Yes, it is very important and it is very easy. If you don't know else that how to create a page, then you can ask your friends or you can search on the Google or YouTube. You will find it everywhere and it is very easy. So these three things you need to do. After that, what you need to do, go to Google and type Facebook Manager. Okay, so here is what we can apply ads. So we will apply ads using a website that is business.facebook.com, that is Facebook Manager. Okay, so we'll click on it. So this is my account. Okay, so you should create it. So I will log out it and I will show you how you can create it. So now, so when I click on this, then you will be having two options: login and create account. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click on create account. After creating account, first you need to have a Facebook account. So you just need to type your Facebook account. So I can type my Facebook account here. So I will type it. Okay, and my password. So this how you will, what you will do, you will create an business account for the Facebook. But as I'm already having a business account, that's why I will directly logged into my Facebook Manager account. So first, if you are not having this, then you need to create your Facebook Manager account. Okay, so but I am already having, that's why it is not required right now. So this is my Facebook Manager account and it is known for creating magic. Okay, so let me show you how many types of ads are there, how to apply for the ads, and what is the situation here. So okay, so this is Facebook Manager. So what you need to do, if I go to this ads manager, okay, And if I want to create a new ad, then I can create on this. It will take a little bit of time. Okay, so the same thing, these are your objectives. So as the name suggests, there are different objectives are there. For example, if I talk about traffic, so if you want to get traffic to your website, then you will use the consideration traffic. Up, let me tell you about brand awareness. So what is brand awareness? If you want to make a brand, okay, for example, Apple is a new launch brand, then what he will do, he will apply Facebook ads for brand awareness. So then he will get more awareness to the brand. So what the name suggests is the actually the what the ad is going to do. But as we are in starting position, so we do not have to worry. Our main target is, that is, traffic. Okay, so our main traffic target is traffic website. But there are many, for example, lead generation, video views. So if our apps installation means, if we are having an app, then we can target it here. That's why, that is the fact. So all apps, so for a new launch app, how they will get traffic? Nobody knows it. So they use Facebook ads. Yes, it is the secret. They are using Facebook ads, and they and that's how they are getting installation, 30k installation, 1 million installation. How a new launch game has got suddenly 1 million installation? Is because they are doing paid campaigns on Google, on YouTube, on this. So it is very important, because everyone is doing. But in India, what they say, oh, money, I don't want to invest. That is the mindset. That is the problem with the mindset. So but in the starting views, because Facebook is a new, and it is very big and brand topic, so I can make a separate course, and I will make definitely in future a separate course on Facebook, a separate course on Google Ads, a separate course on affiliate marketing. Okay, because it is very important. So I will make it in the future. But in this free digital marketing course, I am going to all the basics. You will be complete with all the basics. And after completing this digital marketing course, if you apply for any job and you know all these basics, what is Facebook, then they are eager to take you. Believe me, they will be eager to take you. Just what you need to have a website, a good designed website. If you are having a good designed website, you know about Facebook, you know about EA, you know about search engine optimization, you know about affiliate marketing, then who will reject you? Yaar? Everyone will take you. Yes, your job is permanent. Okay, so most important is traffic is, you already know. Okay, so if I click on continue, so this is how you can do it. Okay, so I have tell you now the types of ads, the Facebook ads, and how to apply for it. Now in the next lesson, we are going to apply for a Facebook ads. Yes, to get traffic to my website. Okay, so I am trying with my website, you should try with your website. Okay, that's so simple. So you should try. You should take 100 rupees money with you. Okay, we will cancel it if you don't want to get traffic, or if you don't want to spend, then at instantly we will cancel our ad. Because here in the Facebook or Google, we can, at this is in our mind. Okay, we can cancel it anytime. So just to understand practically, apply with me. Okay, so I am also applying with you. So take 100 rupees in the next lesson, and we will apply with you together. Okay, so these are the types of ads, and in the next lesson we will go deep in the practical, applying traffic with traffic website. Okay, applying traffic goal, Facebook ads. It's clear. So best of luck for now. We'll meet in the next lesson with a practical assessment. Okay, so best of luck for now. Goodbye.